Hey friends, Cherie here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here to share with you all what I actually made for Project Dress a Girl 2024. So if you want to see the dresses, stay tuned. Okay, before we get into the video, yes, I made this dress. I'm pretty sure I shared it on the channel before, and I just want to show you because I often forget, but this is Vogue 1952. It's rated as easy. It isn't, and it is in fact an easy make. So I did a combination of the two views. I did the 3/4 length or kind of bracelet length sleeve that is on view A. And then I did the skirt, the fuller skirt of view B. If I remember correctly, I did lengthen it. A lot of times the patterns are graded for people that are around 5'6", and I'm taller, so I often need to lengthen my skirts. I definitely lengthened because I lengthened mine to mid calf. I'll try to remember to insert a picture. I don't know if I've recorded any pictures or video of me wearing it, but I definitely have some shots on a mannequin that I used on Instagram. I'm pretty certain. I'll insert those so you can see, but just in case you wondered, this is one of my favorite wrap dress patterns. I made it a couple times. This is Vogue 1952. Okay, and so now let's get into the Project Dress a Girl dresses. So, if you did not see my first video where I talked about my plans for the dresses that I would be making for Project Dress a Girl 2024, I will link to it in the iCards as well as in the description box. So you can watch that and you'll see the patterns that I pulled and some of the fabrics that I pulled for my plans. And as I mentioned in that video, at the end of the video, I did showcase the dresses that I made for 2022. I didn't participate in 2023. I missed the deadline, but I was determined not to miss the deadline this year. So I blocked off time. I got things made. My plans did change because I didn't want to miss the deadline and I had cut out too many things, as I always do. What is it about like feeling like you have 30 hours to sew when you really know you have like 4? But anyway, at least I have some dresses cut and ready to sew up throughout the winter, throughout the spring, and maybe be early in that first week of sitting in my dresses next year. We shall see. But anyway, I shared in that video 3 different patterns, and I ended up only having enough time to sew the dresses that I cut from one pattern, and that is Simplicity 2377. So all my dresses this year were made from this one pattern. All right, so I'm gonna hold them up. I might have to put these up on the mannequin, but I'm gonna try to hold them up. Let's see. Yeah, I can hold them, because they're little. So this is the first dress. And you can see here. Now, I don't like this. I'm gonna turn the camera around and we're gonna look at these laying on the cutting table, okay? Let's do that. Okay, so let's look at dress number 1 laying flat, and then I will put in, after I show them all flat, I will put in video and pictures of them on the dress mannequin so you can see how the dresses hang, etc. So this dress here, again, is a size 8, 100% cotton fabric, gorgeous bold colors. And then here I have added on the required pockets. Now I will do a quick reminder because I think I forgot in the intro. There are some requirements on the dresses that can be made. And Mari of Mari Sews is the host of this initiative. This is our 4th year hosting this event on YouTube. And she has lots of videos on her channel, but I will link to the video that was the kickoff for 2024, which talks about all the different details, where to ship, etc. By the time I get my video out, unfortunately, it'll probably be too late to jump in and participate, but you can get a jump start. If you've never heard of this before, you can make your plans for next year. So here is the little hem, and then let's just turn it. Oh, I should show you on the back. Most of them I put ties, not all of them. So this has a little tie on the back. Let's turn it this way. So most of them I put little ties. So this has a little tie on the back. These are attached to the dress. So, they won't, it's not a belt that could get lost. And then let's turn this inside out and have a quick peek. You have to finish all your seams. So I have a serger. You can use a zigzag stitch. And then let's zoom in here for a second. And then this year what I did was I put the size tag and the care tag down along the waistband, because some kids do get irritated by having tags up at the neckline. And you know, I got everything top stitched nicely, hemmed nicely. I did a fold over hem in case they need to let it down. And then yeah, all the dresses have their little pockets. I used just the scrap fabric from cutting out the dress to make just, you know, basic rectangular pockets that are lined. And I added a little polka dot strip on all the pockets that coordinate, just so it was clear where the like opening of the pocket was, and just to also just add a little bit of fun. I knew this year I didn't have a lot of time to sew with everything else I have going on. So I didn't, you know, make a bunch of different, I didn't get to make a bunch of different styles and add in all the details that I wanted to, but I think that this turned out cute, and that's like the theme for the year. Okay, so that's dress number 1, size 8. Print for the next one, also a size 8. This is that echinacea print, and then here is the fabric that I used for the coordinating pocket on that. And yeah, same thing. This one I didn't put the ties on, the side ties. This next one is a cute purple fabric, purple floral. And then you can see here the polka dot that I used. And this is also a size 8. And she has a tie at the back. And then dress number 4 is also a size 8. This one also, the echinacea print, has no side ties. And I use this really cute orange and pink polka dot for the pocket on this one. Dress number 5 is a size 6, and I use this Cafe Facet Collective Floral and a Cafe Spot Dot and coordinating pink and blue. And she does have the waist tie. Dress number 6 is a size 4. She's the only one that doesn't have the contrast. I made this one first, and I was going for the little scooped shaped pockets. And again, I just cut this from scrap fabric from cutting out the bodice and sleeves. She does have a tie. So cute. Let's get her tied up here. Love this fabric. This is a Tula Pink cotton fabric. So cute. And then my final dress, dress number 7, happens to be, I think, my favorite of the bunch because it just screams spring, even though we're going into winter. But I just think these colors, this color combination is so darling. This little itsy bitsy English garden floral. And I used the purple coordinating spot dot from Cafe Facet for the pockets. This is a combination, so I did the curved pocket. It's kind of hard to see, but I did the curved pocket on here and then did the band. So this is a combination of the 2 different pocket styles. And then the other thing is different about this dress than all the others is I did a tier. So this one has 2 tiers, a little bit more full on that bottom tier. So this is a great twirly dress, super girly. Also has the tie at the back. And so, yeah, this one is also a size 6. So those are my 7 dresses, and all 7 dresses were made using Simplicity 2377. So I did use this pattern in 2022. I made like 3 dresses with this pattern. Love them. And so I think this will be like, I will use this pattern probably every year for Project Dress a Girl. It goes together so nicely. You can play with different fabrics. If I had had more time, given myself more time, I could have mixed and matched fabrics and add more ruffles and lace trims and all kinds of things. I mean, you can make this as simple as you want or as fancy as you want, but overall it's a very easy dress to make. I will link in the description box to a tutorial that I did, that I'll link to 2 different ones. One will show how to make a tiered skirt, and then the other one will show a dress that I made. And the skills that I show in those 2 tutorials will certainly help anyone who has never sewn a little girl's dress, but one, especially if you want to do tiers and ruffling in that skirt tutorial. I'll go into quite a bit of detail of how to do that. And so I will link to those in case you're a new sewist and want to just study, you know, how to put something like this together. So it's not a tutorial on this dress. Maybe I'll do a tutorial on this dress. I've made it enough. I probably should. But yeah, Simplicity 2377. And so now we are going to end this video. Remember to check the description box for all the details of how to find Mari's video, to learn more about Project Dress a Girl, to see my first video so you can see the other patterns that I actually cut out but just didn't have time to sew for this year. So they'll be going out next year. And now we're going to exit out of this video with a slide presentation, sharing videos and pictures of the 7 dresses on the mannequin so you can get a better feel for how they fit and how they flow. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys back here on the next video. Take good care. Bye.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you. believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was